How to close my Aqua credit card account. If you want to close your Aqua credit card account, you can actually do this within the app by navigating to account settings. Now if you don't find account settings, you can actually search your browser and type in close Aqua credit card as the search result. You'll find the first help article from Marbles, which is portal.aquacard.co.uk, which is the official helpline. It says I would like to close my Aqua credit card, so I would like to go ahead and open that link. Once I open that link here, it will give me an information on how to close it. So it says to close your account, please visit account settings, as you can see here. So the account settings button is actually clickable, so just tap on the account settings option. It will redirect you to the app if you're on the app, or the website if you're on the website, and log into your Aqua credit card account. Then after that, you should be able to go ahead and enter a couple of details, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then close your credit card account. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then close your Aqua credit card account. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.